Good evening, guys. Welcome to our Being Investors channel. So let's talk about what has happened today in the market. As you can see, the market has opened gap up, and from gap up it has held its positions, and it is almost 1% upside in the market, which has shown strength today and which has closed above 18,900, which is some of the good support level of 18,100, which is good one to hold. And so we can see the top gainers today and the top losers today. The top gainers were M&M, SBI Life, IndusInd Bank, TCS and HCL Tech. So as you can see, the banking stock plus IT sector, which has given some support to the market. And TCS, the result is going to declare on in this week, I guess. That's why it has shown some strength, and it has given 3% rise today because of the news. Okay, and then the losing side, we can see Titan, Bajaj Finserv. We can see that you can look to buy at the levels of 1380. Okay, I am expecting that it shouldn't fall below 1380, and if it falls, then we can see some good selling side almost at 1300 almost. I'm expecting that much, not expecting more than that on the fall side. And then there's a Grasim, Bajaj Auto, HDFC Life. Okay, these were the top losers today, and these were the top gainers today. So let's check, and let's check some news, corporate announcement which has been given. So the HDFC Housing Finance has given the result. The Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited has informed the exchange regarding the agreement to sell its equity shares of Kaizen Management, and the date which has given this is the 9th of Jan. Okay, so we can see some fall in this market, in this stock HDFC in some coming days, because they are going to sell. Then second one, we can see the updates, Avenue Supermarts, then Giriraj Civil Development Limited, then it is CG Power and Industrial Solutions, and then Shraddha Info Projects Limited. Again, there's some Cipla Limited. Cipla Limited informs us about loss of share of certificates. Okay, then Godrej Properties, certificate under SEBI. So it is Godrej Properties. This news is not going to affect that much, so it's okay. So let's talk about, and let's go towards the chart, and we can see the chart. The market just opened up here at almost 17,935, and from then on it just started to move. It just started to move upside, and it has given the day's high, that is 18,141, and from then on it just started to fall down, and it has came up to 17,000. It almost came to 18,000. Okay, and from then on it again started to move up, and it has closed about 18,100. So at this level we can see that if we can keep the stop loss of 18,000 as a stop loss for buying levels, and if you get the opportunity at the buying levels, means tomorrow if you get the opportunity at the buying levels of 18,000 and it just try to hold, then just go for the C side, and it must almost, we can see on the upside, that is 18,200 max. I'm expecting 18,200 to 18,350. okay, if that holds, and tomorrow it needs to break this level of 18,141. If it's break, then we can see almost upside of almost 18,350. I'm expecting that much at least, or even just we need to look out for 18,200 to break and go above that level. Okay, and expecting that much. Then we can see about the Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty, we can see the market almost same chart. We can see the market just opened here, it just started to fall, and then 42,194, it just started to move again on the upper side, and it just given the day's high, that is 40,716, and from then on it just started to came back down till 2 p.m. it just came down at the levels of 42,336, and from then on it just started to move up. So I'm expecting that the keeping the SL of today's low, that is almost 42,188 or 42,200. We can keep seeing this SL. If we get at these levels by tomorrow, and from then on you can see some movement up to 42,500 to 42,600. okay, and if we get at these levels of 42,800 to 43,000 we can see some profit booking at those levels, and from then on it just can come down to 42,500 to 42,400 levels. So keeping these levels in mind, just try to trade tomorrow in the morning, tomorrow depending upon the situation how the market opens. And tomorrow there is also news on the calendar forex factor. You can see this is the news which is going to Fed Chair Powell going to speak, and this is going to be the big event which will trigger the markets, even US market and even our markets too. And this will be at 9 a.m. in the morning before our markets get open. So be prepared for the volatility in the market and even some sharp moves we can see tomorrow because of this Powell meeting. Okay, and this much from the Nifty side and from the stock market. Then just look out to the forex market. So the gold is moving on the higher side as expected, as there is a news of recession in the European countries. So I'm expecting that the gold must touch, as I told earlier, that I'm expecting the targets of 1900 in gold, and it has given almost 1880 levels till today. And tomorrow after the Powell's speak, or after tomorrow's Powell meeting, I am expecting a sharp up move in the gold. I am expecting that it might touch tomorrow 1900, almost expecting at 1900 to 1910 tomorrow in the morning. Tomorrow in the morning or till tomorrow evening. And lower side we can see almost 1866 to 1856. I'm expecting these levels, and from those, if these levels you get, try to buy the gold at these levels, keeping the SL of 10 points. And the higher side we can see almost 1910. I'm expecting the target in this gold level. So considering these levels we can trade. And today I have given some call on my WhatsApp status that buying Ashok Leyland, that you should buy almost 150 level 150 C of Ashok Leyland, because I'm expecting it should touch in this week or next week almost 160 I'm expecting. And the level which was given was almost 4 rupees to 20 paise to 4 rupees to 20 paise to 3 rupees 90 paise, keeping the SL of 3 rupees 20 paise, and expecting the target of 5 to 9. And today it has touched almost 5.25 almost today, which is high. It has touched almost today's high of 5.25, and it has closed almost around about 4.90. So I'm expecting that it should touch almost 10, expecting almost to touch it around 10 by looking the chart above and looking the moment in the market, and expecting that it will touch in this week only. So you can keep it with holding, buying that levels, and keeping the SL of 3 rupees to 3 rupees 20 paise to 4 rupees, buying at rupees 4.20 to 4.50 at these levels. Just buy and keeping the SL of that. I'm expecting it should give good returns, and the lot size is almost 5,000. So keeping strict SL, otherwise you will be in huge trouble. Almost that level is almost about 20,000 rupees position. So keeping those levels in mind, try to trade on these levels. That will help you to get good amount of returns. I'm expecting that the market should, or the stock should, give some good amount of return, and expecting the target of 160 in coming week. So by keeping these levels you can trade. Okay, so this much from the today. So if you like my efforts, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Being Investors, signing off.